I'm happy to say we have had a sudden temp increase last few days, so we will soon be getting rid of the snow, I hope. Well, at least in 2 months or so. Okay, this is... I have to apologize for the mess, but I've been pushing things around to be able to paint this new ceiling that I put in just a few months back. The Swinglade sawmill made this ceiling. And this is the swing mill. As you can see, scrap metal and duct tape is the way to go. And this is a 7.5 horsepower motor, and it has a 440 millimeter diameter blade with 6 carbide teeth. Teeth are straight, not angled, and that is the way to go when splitting. We are not cutting the fiber, we are splitting it. Swinging action is simple. Some old piping for handle. And now the blade is in vertical position. There's just bolt and nut for adjustments, and same thing in this direction. It's only one tricky thing to do the adjustments for. The adjustments you make just once after fabrication. Inside here there's a slide where you can make adjustments when blade is in vertical position, and same in here, you make the adjustments for the blade in horizontal position, so that it won't dig into the log or vice versa. I made a simple set and reset for different dimensions. If you would like to cut boards, 1-inch boards, you put this at roughly 2.5 centimeters. It's 1 inch. And then you are able to set, lock, and you can move the carriage towards, like that, and lock the carriage. This is just simple mechanism to lock. It squeezes these 2x6s together so the carriage cannot move. To move the carriage, it's easy. I have just some old bearings going on an angle iron. This only has to be moved an inch or a few inches to set in position for a cut. The blade being the only load for the motor, I'm able to drive this on our 3-phase 400 volt system with only 16 amps fuses. When using this homemade YD start, I started by pushing this lever. The motor will get 230 volts, and when I reached speed, I just push start on this button and it will get 400 volts. So that's the Swedish scrap swing mill. And Tom, if I may suggest, if you are building one of these, look at Lukas swing mill. That's where I got most of my ideas. Okay.